Hi guys, today we are going to share simple steps which you can use to make a professional logo for your business or website for free. So, after watching this video and following these simple steps, you will be able to make simple but unique logos just like this. So, let's get started making a logo. In the first step, click the link dropped in the description to open the logo making tool. This is where we're going to make the logo. First, click on the button labeled New to start a new logo making project. Now, to make the icon of the logo, click on Add Symbol. It will open the list of all the customizable icons distributed in different categories. Now, just choose the category which relates to your business or product and select the symbol. Once you select the icon for your logo, click twice on it and it will be pasted on the blank page where you can customize it and complete your logo. To make it unique, you can customize it like changing the colors, or you can also add another symbol if you want. Now, in this next step, we will show you how you can add your product or business title and tagline. To add your business name, just click on Add Text. A text box will be added to the blank page. Now add your tagline following the same steps. You can change the size of your text box by dragging it from the corners. As you can see, the logo seems to be ready, but it looks simple. To make it unique, you can change fonts and text colors. So that the logo is ready, now let's proceed to download the logo. To download the logo, click on Save and Download. Enter your email to download the logo. As you can see, the logo is sent to the email you entered. Now, you can download the logo zip file from here. Now, extract the zip file. As you can see here, the logo is downloaded here in different formats. So, this is how you make your own logo for free and download it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Use the comment section to share your thoughts about the new topic for our next video.